Hi, if you're also tired of procrastinating, welcome to this super productive vlog which is going to motivate the heavens out of you and give you a ton of inspiration to go get up and check out that to-do list today.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
So my day starts with morning lectures 8 to 10 and कल रात को बहुत सारी fitness reels देखने के बाद I've decided to take up stairs instead of an elevator. Today we have a pathology lecture in which we're studying about different types of genetic defects that might occur in a human being. And here is us learning the biggest life lesson. Guys, whatever happens in life, just say. Finally, lecture खत्म होने के बाद में I came back to my hostel and today I have decided to do something which I have been procrastinating since a very long time. With the classes, I've been feeling very tired and exhausted lately. I just think that it might be due to some underlying deficiency or something. So right now I have to go to my clinical postings, but before that, let's head to the OPD and get those blood tests done. So this is the OPD of AIIMS Gorakhpur, and now you will see the exact reason why I was procrastinating this from such a long time. Look at the crowd. There is literally not even space for me to walk, and I don't know how people who are already sick manage to stand in such long queues. We definitely need more hospitals in India. Anyways, I managed to get my test done finally. And now I'm going to attend my clinical postings. Currently I'm posted in general medicine. And for all the non-medico people here, let me explain. The clinical postings are basically of 3 hours. Take history, examine the patient, and then finally discuss this case with the teacher who is going to help us reach a diagnosis and teach us more about the clinical things. And basically it's very important because they say that a patient can teach you better than a book. Trust me, after lunch, the only thing I want to do is go to my bed and sleep. But we can't do that here, so... Our second year profs are almost here, so we have to get really serious about our studies. So I'm going to the library directly instead of my room. Being a second year MBBS student, I know अपने exams और पढ़ाई के लिए सही resources figure out करना कितना important है. Especially if you want to achieve a good rank और इंडिया के किसी अच्छे medical college में जाना चाहते हो. लेकिन अब आपके लिए एक solution है. इन्फिनिटी लर्न बाय श्री चैतन्य नीट एस्पिरेंट्स के लिए एक परफेक्ट प्रोग्राम है. पिछले साल ऑल इंडिया रैंक 1 इन नीट एंड टोटल ऑफ 4 रैंक्स अंडर टॉप 15. और भी कई स्टूडेंट्स ने इन्फिनिटी लर्न के साथ अमेजिंग रिजल्ट्स अचीव किए. इनके एक्सपर्ट फैकल्टी एंड पर्सनलाइज्ड कोचिंग से यू कैन ऑल्सो अचीव योर ड्रीम. ये प्रोवाइड करते हैं रैंक अश्योरेंस प्रोग्राम्स एंड करंटली दे हैव अ फ्लैट 40% ऑन द कोर्स फॉर अ लिमिटेड टाइम. तो अगर आपको कोई भी कंफ्यूजन है तो यू कैन फिल आउट दिस फॉर्म एंड दे विल रीच आउट टू यू एंड गाइड यू. इसका लिंक नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में है. सो इफ यू आर रेडी फॉर अ स्ट्रॉन्ग कमबैक, जॉइन इन्फिनिटी Learn by Sri Chaitanya because your success story begins now. And don't forget to use the code PRAG40 to get 40% off. So while I was completing this study session, watching lectures and making notes, I realized that I'm already super hungry. So I decided to go to the mess. बचपन से ही I don't eat a lot of sweets, but kheer is one of the things which I just cannot resist, and it's super delicious. And does any one of you have a bad habit of losing water bottles all the time? Because I keep losing my water bottles all the time. I've lost count of how many I've lost till today.
Later.
So after feeding the room and cleaning the fishes, after cleaning the room and feeding the fishes. Time to finally show you guys my night skincare routine. I get a lot of comments from you guys asking me to show you my skincare routine, and this is what I do before going to sleep at night. And basically recommending skincare products is not easy because everyone's skin type is different, but if you have an oily mixed skin like mine, you can definitely try out these and it might work for you because it did for me. So for night time, I just clean my face and apply glycolic acid serum onto my face. On top of that, I apply this snail mucin. Obviously for the morning, the products are different, the serums are different, and we will talk about that in some other video. And yes, that's it for my day. I hope watching this gave you some motivation to get out of that zone of procrastination. And if you enjoyed watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, stay happy and healthy. Bye bye.